Every year, more than 300 million people crowd into America's national parks, but almost all of them go to the same 10 places. So I asked a different question. Where does everyone else go? There are 63 national parks in the United States. The 5 most popular get nearly half of all visits, which means the other 58 share whatever is left. And some of them, the wildest, the strangest, the most beautiful, are almost completely empty. Number 5. Royale, Michigan, an island in the middle of Lake Superior, closed half the year by ice. You can only reach it by ferry or seaplane. The reward? Wolves, moose, and 40 miles of shoreline with no roads, no cars, no signal, just trees and dark water. Number 4. North Cascades, Washington. 3 hours from Seattle, and yet barely anyone goes. Over 300 glaciers, jagged peaks, and lakes the color of glass. People call it the American Alps, but with no crowds and almost no rangers. Number 3. Lake Clark, Alaska. No roads lead here. You arrive by small plane, landing on a beach or a gravel strip. Volcanoes, salmon runs, and brown bears fishing in the rapids. Fewer than 20,000 people visit each year. Most parks see that in a weekend. Number 2. Dry Tortugas, Florida. 70 miles west of Key West in the middle of the Gulf. 7 tiny islands, a 19th century brick fort, and some of the clearest water you will ever see. Bring everything you need. There is no store, no restaurant, no fresh water on the island. Number 1. Gates of the Arctic, Alaska. Larger than Belgium. 0 roads, 0 trails, 0 campgrounds. To enter, you fly in, then you walk. The river you cross has no bridge. The mountain you climb has no name. Fewer than 10,000 people set foot here in a year, and most parks see that before lunch. So if you have ever stood in a slow line at Yosemite or watched a sunset at the Grand Canyon shoulder to shoulder with strangers, the wild places are still out there. They are just a little harder to reach. And that, of course, is the point.